Hello everyone, this is Rahul Gamithia, subject English grammar, topic part of speech. Before we start, we will see basic structure of sentence and how can we form a proper meaningful sentence by using different part of speech. For that, we have to know the meaning of sentence. So, sentence can be defined as group of words which gives a complete sense. I repeat, group of words, that means one word, two words, three words. What are they? They are part of speech. The term part of speech refers to the word play in the sentence. So there are 8 part of speech: noun, pronoun, verb, adjective, adverb, preposition, conjunction and interjection. We will see one by one that all part of speech. Noun. A noun is a name of person, place, animal, thing. For example, book, apple, Rahul, Surat, India, tiger, parrot, table. What are they? They are part. They are noun. For example, Yogesh is my friend. Here noun as a subject. Second number, I met Ronak as an object. Noun can be singular or plural and it decide a verb. For example, a boy is studying. And second sentence, boys are studying. In first sentence, boy is, and second sentence, boys are. That means it decide the verb. Third sentence, Rahul goes to school. Girls are eating chocolates. Second part of speech, pronouns. A pronouns is a word which use instead of noun. For example, Manish is a good student. He is very intelligent. Second, Jyoti is my friend. I met Jyoti. Here pronoun decides verb. First person pronoun I and we. Second person pronoun you. Third person pronoun he, she, it and they. In short, suppose I speak, the I will be the first person. You listen, the you are the second person, and third person, if we will talk about somebody else, so that is our third person. Third part of speech, verb. A verb is a word which express action or state. For example, action verbs are different and stative verbs are different. Eat, run, jump, drink, write, read, dance, walk, cry, speak, swim. These are the action verbs that we can do the action. Some verbs are there that is a state the position. For example, be, in that is, am, are, was and were. See, hear, wish, seem, like, think, agree, hate, look, imagine. There are, it is also called a mental verb. Suppose for example, he runs fast. Here runs verb. Jimmy eats chocolate, eats verbs. Ronak is dancer. I can hear you. Ria likes music. So these are the example of verb. 4 number, adjective. An adjective is a word which qualifies or modify a noun or pronoun. For example, man. We talk about the man, the tall man, short man, handsome man. That means man here, but we qualify the man like a tall man, short man, handsome man. For example, house is there. How is the house? Old house, new house, beautiful house. It usually comes before the noun. That means adjective mostly come before the noun. For example, handwriting. But how is the handwriting? Beautiful handwriting, bad handwriting. That means it modify the noun handwriting. Number 5, adverb. That means here it is remember, add plus verb. In short, the define adverb is a word which qualifies or modify an adjective or a verb or another adverb. First number, she is very beautiful. Second, she is quite intelligent. Here beautiful adjective is there and it modify the adjective. Second number, she is quite intelligent. It modify the adjective quite. Third number, Amit drive fast. She sings nicely. In Amit, how is the Amit drives? The fast. She sings how? Nicely. Amit drives extremely fast. Number 6, she walks very slowly. Mostly adverb can be formed by ly. For example, nice, nicely, ly. Honest, honestly. Slow, slowly. Beautiful, beautifully. Like that, adverb can be identified. Number 6, preposition. It is also part of speech. A preposition is a word which shows the relation of noun or pronoun and something else. For example, the poster is on the wall. Two nouns here, wall and poster. But where is the poster? It is on the wall. It shows the relation. Number 2, Rahul is standing behind me. Here the noun Rahul and me. But where is the position? Rahul is standing behind me. Position It refers to the position, movement, time, direction. Some example of prepositions like that: in, on, at, over, below, for, from, since, until, into, out of, around and towards. These are the example of preposition. Now conjunction. Conjunction is a word which join the two words, clauses and sentences. Example: Rahul and Yogesh. Rahul and Yogesh both are the different, but using the conjunction and, it will be the joint. Rahul and Yogesh. Second number, I know that there is no money in the bag. I know that is a conjunction over here. Number 3, I know his name but I don't know where he lives. Here conjunction but. Few list of conjunction: for, and, but, or, yet, show, because, till, until, unless, if, either or and neither or. These are the example of conjunction. Now next, interjection. Interjection is a word which expresses sudden feeling of example. Example: oh, ouch, wow, hurry, yum, boo, alas, yahoo. This kind of word, that is example of interjection. First number: wow, Reena is looking gorgeous. Hooray, our team won the match. Alas, John's father died yesterday. Oh, the place is so crowded. Well done, keep it up. Now this is the part of speech, but now I have some exercise to do. Choose the correct response to complete each of the sentence. Let's get started. First number: the task was easy blank for him. What will be the answer? Such, enough or too? Yes, your answer is the task was easy for him. Your right answer, enough. I will give you a call as soon as I blank arrive, will arrive, I am going to arrive. What will be the answer? I will give you a call as soon as I arrive. When I stopped blank, I saw Peter walking in the garden. In 3 options, what is the right option? When I stopped to run, I saw Peter walking in the garden. Next blank, we don't have blank tomatoes left in the fridge. 3 options: much, any, some. What is your answer? We don't have any tomatoes left in the fridge. Next, the exam was blank, difficult that he could not finish it. Your option is too, such, enough. And your right answer, the exam was too difficult that he could not finish it. Jane blank her diary every day. Your option is writing, wrote, writes. These are the options. Now what is your answer for that? Jane writes her diary every day. I am going to blank in the sea. Your options are swim, swimming, to swim. So what is your answer for that? I am going to swim in the sea. C blank likes to play football. Your options are is not, doesn't, don't. So what is the right option? C doesn't like to play football. Tom blank his painting to his friends last night. Your options are show, shows and showed. So what is your answer? Tom showed his painting to his friends last night. Next blank, your uncle blank out for a walk this morning. Your options are go, goes or went. So what is your answer? Your uncle went out for a walk this morning. Thank you. Thank you very much for being with me.